Hey guys, it's me, Julia, and in this video, I'll be going over practice test number 2, no calculator section, question 15. So let's get started. So the expression 5x minus 2 over x plus 3 is equivalent to which of the following? So we're not adding anything, we're not we're not multiplying anything to this expression. We're just trying to divide it and find the answer. So we're not doing anything extra to it, if that makes sense. So let's get started. So as you can see, this is a fraction, and this is unlike any other. So say 32 over 5. Yeah. So whenever you see something like this, you would go right? So we're going to do the same thing. And that same thing, but with more complicated numbers, it's called synthetic division. So you just write what you're starting off with. And this is called the dividend, and sorry, not dividend, and x plus 3 will be called the quotient, and whatever you get at the top here is going to be the divisor, and whatever you get from dividing all this is going to be called the remainder. So let's get to the solving. So whenever you divide 5x minus 2 with x plus 3 or any number, you need to start from the left-hand side. So we're going to look at x in this case. So what do we need to multiply x with in order to get 5x? We multiply it by 5. So we write 5. And we're going to multiply them together to get, obviously, 5x. But we're not done just yet. We need to multiply 5 by 3 as well, because x is not alone. It's x plus 3. So we need to do whatever we do for the first term. So that's going to be 15. And we're going to subtract 5x from 5x because we want to eliminate that. And that's going to be 5x minus 5x is 0. Negative 2 minus 15 is going to be negative 17. And we're finished because we have the remainder already. If we have x here, we still need to continue doing this. But in this case, we don't. So that's going to be, well, this step is finished, at least. Now we need to write it in a form that suits one of these options given here. And how would we do that? Well, there's actually a way to write it. So first of all, you need to write the quotient in the denominator. The remainder in the numerator and the divisor. So I think you've seen this somewhere before. And yes, you most likely did. It's from the mixed fractions. So whenever you see, say, 17 over 5, how would we turn this into a mixed fraction? Well, we try to find how many 5s fit into 17. You can say 3 5s. And that's going to be 15. So we're going to subtract 15 from 17, and that's going to be 2. How do we fix this to a normal fraction? Well, we times these 2 together, and that's going to be 15. And we're going to add it to 2. And that's going to be 17 over 5, right? Just the same thing. So we know that this is going to be the remainder. And this is what we divided 17 with. And this is how many 5s fit into 17. So that's the form we want. So we're just going to construct that using what we have. So the divisor comes here, and the remainder is negative 17 over, we need the quotient, which is x plus 3. And that is D. We're finished. Thank you.